Now, students, in today's class, we will discuss consumers' equilibrium to commodity case. Now, the rule which is applicable to two commodity case is also applicable to several commodity case. That means that means this rule is also applicable to three commodity case, four commodity case, or five commodity case whatsoever. So, it is applicable to all situations more than one commodity. Now, firstly, the consumer's equilibrium in case of two commodities. We proceed with the same assumptions as in single commodity case. So let us suppose a consumer has a given money income which he has to spend on two commodities, say commodity X and commodity Y. Now again we assume that consumer is rational and thinking and tries to maximize his satisfaction or say utility. Now again we assume that consumer's behavior is governed by three factors. First, the marginal utilities of goods. Secondly, the prices of the two commodities. And thirdly, his money income. That means he has a given money income to spend on two goods, and we assume that consumer is rational and thinking. He will maximize his utility. Now the consumer will maximize his total utility when he distributes his money income among the two goods in such a way that utility derived from the last rupee spent on each good is equal. Or in other words, this equilibrium is governed by the law of equimarginal utility. That is further like this, that MUX upon PX, MUX means marginal utility of good X divided by price of good X. This should be equal to MUY divided by PY, and both should be equal to MUM. So where MUX is marginal utility of X, MUY is marginal utility of Y, and MUM is marginal utility of money. PX is price of commodity X and PY is price of commodity Y. Now, as per the above statement, in case of two commodities, consumer will be in equilibrium when MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY and both are equal to MUM. So, now if MUX upon PX is greater than MUY upon PY, then consumer will increase the expenditure on good Y so that MUX will fall and MUY will rise. This situation will continue till MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY. So when MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY, at that point consumer will be in equilibrium, but equality between MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY can be achieved at more than one level. So this equality cannot be achieved only at one level but at different levels of money expenditure. So the consumer will go on purchasing the goods until marginal utility of the last rupee spent on each of the goods is equal and he has fully spent his given income. So at that stage, when MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY are both equal to MUM and his entire income is consumed, at that stage he will be in equilibrium. That means that at that stage he will maximize his satisfaction. Thus the consumer is in equilibrium when this situation holds true, or when this equation holds true, that MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY and both are equal to MUM.